of Agege, they say they are not aware of any such, that what you are doing is purely bringing out masquerade to rob. These are some of, that is what you are doing. And that's the report. And they are violent. When they were arrested, they attempted to attack the policemen. Why?
Don't say that.
This is the DPO. You said the DPO is telling lies. The DPO is telling lies. Go and stand with your people. Come and stay here. Try nonsense with me here. There you think say you did.
That's the daughter of the
Yes, the daughter of the
She's like
Go out, go away. It's not a family.
Can you tell us the update as regards the arrest of this masquerade, sir?
About around 5:55 we arrested them. 5:55 we arrested them.
Okay, can you tell us what led to the arrest of this masquerade?
Well, at about 16:00 hours of today, that's about 4 p.m., we got a report that some unknown persons had come out in their masquerade attire, and following them were miscreants who were using the opportunity to rob innocent and law-abiding people of Elere in Agege. I immediately sent out the DPO and a team of policemen who arrested these masquerades and their handler, who claims to be the owner of the masquerades, within Elere in Agege. We have received a lot of reports following the arrest that these rogue masquerades come out. They have no authority of the traditional institution. No particular festival is being celebrated now, and they have no reason to be out. They use it plain and simply to rob innocent people. And we have warned repeatedly that this command will not tolerate such acts of breakdown of law and order, such acts of hooliganism. I've ordered that the masquerades be derobed immediately, and they and their handlers be charged to court for offences ranging from stealing, causing breach of the public peace, other offences that will come up as more complainants come up.
Okay, what message are you using this to send to others? Because we see that this is just one too many. We see a lot of masquerade coming out when there are no festival, harassing innocent citizens.
The message is very simple. The message is very simple. Henceforth, if you claim to be from a ruling house that has authority to come out with a masquerade, it must be tied to a particular festival, and you must have the expressed permission of the traditional institution of that area, the custodians of the custom and culture of the people, to come out with such a masquerade. Masquerades don't come out for no reason, and masquerades are tied to the culture of the people. You don't come out with rogue masquerades during the day for the purposes of committing robbery. We will not tolerate it. I have told my policemen all over, any such rogue masquerade that is seen should be arrested, derobed, and whoever is in charge of operating such masquerade should equally be arrested and charged to court.
What is your take, generally, sir, taking a look at a clue of this achievement? What does this portend for the internal security of Lagos State?
It portends a lot. It portends the fact that there is now vigilance. There is now a closer synergy between members of the public and the police, because this information I got immediately they came out via phone. It shows that the confidence and trust we are building with the people based on the core principles of community policing and community safety partnership is working. The people know that once they pass an information to the police in this state now, we'll act on it. And that is what we have done. And so other rogue masquerades take a cue from this. Wherever they are seen anywhere, my men have been ordered, they should be arrested, derobed, and charged to court.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, please take them.
So, sir, if you want to, do you want to talk to them?
Because you see something like that or last week, one of the masquerades.
Raise it up. Let them see. Whatever you say.
There's another one. Bring this one out. Open this one.
Whatever it is.
Open this one, Sam.
They are all the purposes of these things is to create fright, to create fear. Members of the public. For no other reason.
Let the use hand to carry that issue up.
Raise it up.
Your hand.
Hello, sir.
Raise it up.
Let's talk about that's